Welcome to Get Your Eat On.
Okay, so I'm getting ready to make some hot water cornbread here. In this recipe, I have 1 cup of Washington stone ground white self-rising cornmeal, and I also put a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I also boil at least 3 cups of boiling water. I always boil more water than what I need just in case my cornmeal mixture is too thick. And I just add it 1 cup at a time. And I've got 1 cup measured in this bowl, along with a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Make sure you put the salt in to the dry mixture and mix it up well. Do not add the salt after you put the water in. That is a very important step to this process. And you have to have your water boiling. And as you'll notice here, my water is boiling. So I'm going to pour that boiling water into this mixture right here. And then we're going to make these little corn cakes. We're going to pour this boiling water in here. And we're going to stir this up. Okay. Ooh. You see that? I need a little bit more water. I didn't want to pour all of that in there. So what I did was I didn't pour everything in there because I don't want this to oversaturate. I'm going to pour a little bit more of this in here and wet this down a little bit more and keep on stirring. Alrighty. I may have to add a little bit more in here. See that? Okay. Okay. It's a little bit too thick, and I hope I got enough water, because it's a good thing I put more water in here, because this cornbread is drinking up this water. You don't want it to be too thick, or it's not going to, fry the way you want it to. Okay, so we're about ready. We're about ready to lay these down. This looks pretty good. All right, let's roll. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. Got our little oil there. I'm going to fry mine in avocado oil. You can use, like canola oil or something like that. But whatever you do, don't fry this in olive oil. Because I accidentally did mine like that the last time I did my cornbread, and I was not a happy camper. And let's do it. Here we go. This is supposed to sizzle. There we go. See that? And my hot water cornbread is off to the races, y'all. Check that out. And the main thing we want this to do is to get brown on the bottom. So let's see. I'm just going to test one. Yep. See that? Turned that one over. All right, I'm going to take these off the griddle, plate these up. This is my hot water cornbread. So there we have it. Hot water cornbread at your service. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Get Your Eat On, and we'll see you in the next episode.